Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my twist outs, and if you're interested to see that, please stay tuned for the video. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair. Then I'm going to section my hair into 4 different sections and start working on the back one first. After I've sprayed the section, I'm going to go in and use my leave-in, which is the Cantu leave-in conditioning lotion. I always use about 2 to 3 pumps just to make sure that I have enough. Then I'm going to go ahead and rub the leave-in throughout the whole section. I'm using my fingers to kind of detangle as well as rake it through. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Tangle Teaser to help evenly distribute the product throughout my hair, as well as to help detangle even further. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Elongating Natural Shrink Away Elongating Curl Cream as my moisturizer, and I'm going to rub that through that same section. Back in with my Tangle Teaser to evenly distribute the product. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and split my hair and then put that part away just so that I can go ahead and work on the section at the bottom and start twisting. I'm just going to do the basic 2-strand twist and twist it all the way to the ends of my hair. Then I'm going to move on and start working on that part that I put away and twist the rest of that section. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that same process on the rest of my hair. So I actually do want a side part, so I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair right here, and then I'm going to move that section of hair to the right so that I can twist it in that direction. So I've just finished and all sections of my hair are now twisted. So I ended up with about 16 twists in all, 9 on one side and then 7 on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry overnight, and then I'll come back in the morning to take it down. So this is the next morning. My hair and my twist are now completely dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and start taking them down, starting with the back. So as I'm unraveling the twist, I'm trying to take them down as best I can without messing up the curls. I thought I was done, but it looks like I forgot a curl in the back. So now all of the twists are taken out, and I really love it. It's super defined, big curls. But what I want to do now is go ahead and separate the curls just to give it a little bit more volume. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of gel on my edges right there, and then I'm going to brush it up and pin it back. So I do not have a pick, so I'm going to use my wide tooth lot of body comb to go ahead and pick my hair just to give it a little bit more volume and make it a little bigger. So that is it, guys, and this is the finished product, and that's how I do my twist outs for defined, juicy, bouncy curls. And this is your girl G Curls, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.